Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and page. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? Guys, it's not a small thing, no. You see this the one they look for trouble, seriously. This man they look for trouble. Oh. Anyway, I don't know what pushed him into saying this. You know that very dark man and the one, I don't know, will I say they are in war. Like they are not in good terms, although they are in good terms somehow, because sometimes very dark man doesn't take what the one said so serious, and that is why you are not seeing him reacting towards this particular one. You know that Easy and the Mercy Chinwo have been having issues. They have been having misunderstanding, and I don't know what leads to them bringing their nakedness to the public. And now they are trending. Everybody is using them to make money, play video, and all of that. You know that kind of thing. But I'm blaming. Would I say blaming Easy T, because Easy T and Chinwo have been together for years, and things have been working out well for them. But I don't know what came up on them. Like, devil have always been at the side, at the corner, waiting for a little chance to enter. That is the chance they gave the devil now. The devil entered and scattered things for them. Okay, now, as Very Dark Man entered this particular issue, you know that Very Dark Man, his own is that whatever he enter into, he want to see the beginning and the end of it. He wouldn't want to lose anything. So Very Dark Man said that he wants to take this matter so deep that he want to know if Chinwe actually spend money. And Very Dark Man have come to social media to tell people, to show people an evidence that he's actually making investigation, that Mercy Chinwe uh, connived, dupe Easy T, and still call police and still sue him in court. I don't know which one is true. But what I'm trying to say in essence is that what the one said about Very Dark Man is what have been raising dust on social media right now. And me, I was like, is he going to defend this? Because in a discussion where they were making discussion where he said this thing, I don't want to play the video here because the video have sound. I don't want to violate YouTube rules. So he was like, what he said was that a very dark man was paid by one Ezekiel God something. That very dark man was paid. He did not mention the name. It was when they were saying something that they mentioned this particular name. That very dark man was paid to ruin Mrs. Chinwo's life. That who, as in, when he was trying to explain himself, because when he said that in Nedu asked him, are you sure of what you are saying? Can you defend what you just said? And he started saying that a man that can receive money to do gay, like trying to say two statements at the same time, oh guys, two statements at the same time. Number one is that very dark man was paid to trash or be to ruin Mrs. Chinwo's life. Number one, as if that was not enough, he still said that very dark man was also paid to also do gay. In essence, that very dark man dey do gay. Very dark man don come to social media explain himself say he dey gym because say he want to keep fit. Na his gymming is because he want to keep fit. Because he was like, why would people be doing all this nonsense? Why would a man leave a woman? Look at wetin God create for women wey dey sweet like totori. You go leave am come dey go to meet another man. Wetin you see for another man? Now very dark man, the one don dey talk say very dark man too dey do gay, im dey do man. And the people have been telling very dark man that look at what this man said. Are you going to let him go? What I heard in the other previous video I watched, very dark man said was that everybody have their mouth to talk. that he's not going to sue him. Of course, this is not today. It's not today that the one started chancing Very Dark Man. The one have been chancing Very Dark Man like tomorrow no day. Any small thing that the Very Dark Man will do, the one will take it upon himself. The one will carry it like saying the heavy only him. The time they were raising money for charity work, that Don Jazzy donated too much amount of money, even later give VDM personal money, that the money was too much, that VDM doesn't want to mention it in social media. It was this same the one that was like, hey, all the money you collected from the rattles and this and that, where are they? You come and do account, you not do account. You don't start the change clothes now because they paid into your account. The particular work that Very Dark Man want to do, Very Dark Man is the initiator. It's not even as if it is the one. And now what the one is saying is that someone paid Very Dark Man to trash Mercy Chinwo's life. That Mercy Chinwo did not do anything. That this must be a gang up. And I was like, this one is too costly. Because what is happening to Mercy Chinwo right now is not a small thing. This is life, I would like to say life destruction time. Because they are tarnishing her image the more. The video continue to go viral more and more every day by day. And now the one don't carry his own come. The one say that Very Dark Man, you dey do men, and you no go doubt it. Hey, guys, this one is too costly. There are jokes you don't joke with people. Even if you are saying it because you know that person is not going to react. That person is maybe your friend or maybe your worst enemy. There are certain things you don't say about people. But this particular one now, I don't think Very Dark Man is supposed to keep quiet over this. But Very Dark Man on his own have come to social media to explain that he wants to keep quiet because people are telling him that he should sue the one. Sue the one. He said, no, I'm not going to sue him. He have his mouth to talk. I know myself. Yes. Very Dark Man is saying that he knows himself. He knows he doesn't do such a thing. If he's good at women, just that he don't want to be in any relationship now, with the reasons best known to him. Guy, is it when you see a man wey no dey pursue women, like a man that doesn't have a girlfriend, that it now means that the man is doing gay? VDM should be the one should be very careful with the choice of words he's using, because unless you want to learn the hard way, you go learn the hard way. Anyway, guys, I just say let me share this thing with you. I just saw this statement and I was like, I need to share with you because some people doesn't know that such a thing is happening. That the one can actually come to social media. I know that any little thing now, that any little thing that people talk about the one, so there are people that is waiting for such nonsense to come so that they will carry it upon their head, because the one have been saying the truth. Any investigation the one carry out, at the end you see that he's saying the truth and he must win. I've not seen him carry out any investigation based on anything and lose. So this one where the one they talk, I don't understand though. And the Very Dark Man is not even panicking because he knows he's not guilty of what the one said. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're yet to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye.